A very good afternoon to all of you. Mr. Charlie Caudray, CEO Geoblast, Mr. James Cunningham, Dr. P. Anbalgam, all the dignitaries present here, dear friends, it's absolute privilege to be present at this India Rising, which is supposed to be the gateway to Esports World Cup. All of us know that Mumbai has been India's dream city, a status driven by its entertainment and film industry. Realms of animation, visual effects, gaming, comics, and extended reality have now emerged. Mumbai is developing the strongest ecosystem in India within these new sectors as well. In reality, today, the revenue generated by the global gaming sector far exceeds the combined earnings of the film and the music industry. Experts estimate that combined annual global revenue of film and music is 70 billion, and that of the gaming sector is 260 billion, which is 3.5 times larger than combined film and music world. India now has over 500 million active gamers. The domestic gaming business is 40,000 crore. And if we look at the film industry and the music industry put together in India, it is 20,000 crores. Surely, this is a very fascinating world now. When the first trailer for the Grand Theft Auto 6 was released, it garnered over 90 million views in just 24 hours, a level of viewership no movie trailer has ever achieved. Film enthusiasts worldwide were amazed to learn that movie 300 was produced in the studio only. When you wear a virtual reality headset and play a roller coaster game, your brain pursues a genuine sensation of losing balance. Even though you remain seated motionless in your chair, your eyes send signals to the brain that the virtual environment is 100% real. AVGC XR, a sector capable of delivering such incredible experiences, has now evolved into a full-fledged industry. A significant share of the credit goes to the availability of affordable data and the ease of UPI transaction. Maharashtra is making rapid strides in this field. Abundant availability of IT and digital skills to provide technical support, high quality educational institutions, an ecosystem comprising Film City, the advertising agency, OTT production, post-production facilities. Maharashtra hosts 30% of country's AVGC XR studios. Over 295 studios operate within the state. VFX, animation, and post-production works for numerous national and international films, OTT series, and advertisement is carried out in Maharashtra. As rightly told by the Principal Secretary, our new policy of AVGC and XR is creating new opportunities. And especially, I must thank the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji for establishing the National Center of Excellence, the Indian Institute of Creative Technologies, the first IIT in creative technologies in the city of Mumbai, which is going to change the entire creative economy and the orange economy. Maharashtra, the first state in the country with comprehensive AVGC policy with an outlay of 3,268 crores aims at the investment of 50,000 crores, and it aims to generate 2 lakh jobs. Under this policy, this sector has got a status of industry and infrastructure. Development of 12 AVGC parks is also something which is going to change the entire space in Maharashtra. We have decided that in cities like Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur, Nasik, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, the state-of-art virtual production and AI-based rendering facilities are being developed. Government is providing high-speed internet and uninterrupted power supply to boost creators' economy. Maharashtra's aim is to be the Hollywood of digital content. Pleased to announce the development of state-of-the-art complex for content creators spanning 50 acres near New Mumbai International Airport. We will be strengthening the orange economy driven by creativity, culture, and digital expression. The Esports World Cup 2026, scheduled in Paris, France, from July 6 to August 20. This is the Olympics of the gaming world. The torch for this Olympic is being lit here in Mumbai today. Congratulations to all the participants. Through the India Rising Road to EWC initiative and the GeoBlast platform, the doors of the Esports World Cup are opening for India. A young player on the mobile phone in Nagpur's Mahal, a boy gaming on a laptop in Pune's Pet, a player in gaming cafe in the Nashik's Gully, or any youth from Sangli, Solapur, Akola, Amravati, Jalgaon, Dhule can make it to the Paris event. 50,000 young competitors, 5,000 physical spectators, 80 million digital viewers, over 200 million digital impressions generated through the GeoBlast platforms, which reaches Geo's 600 million users. India Rising will become the most watched esports initiative in India's history. Congratulations for that. Just as field sports like tennis, football, or cricket have become hubs of massive economic activity, the gaming industry also emerged as a new economic powerhouse. A highly intelligent and creative generation will propel Maharashtra and India to the top of the global gaming stage. The government of Maharashtra stands firmly behind you. At the end, I would like to say, movies portray a dream world. Gaming offers the chance to actually live in that dream world and become the hero ourselves. We welcome the young magicians who create these opportunities for Maharashtra. Once again, I would like to congratulate all the managers here who have done excellent job, and Government of Maharashtra stands committed behind you to make this a great success. Thank you for having me here. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.